everyone, it's Ben here from Mariner Media, and in this video I just want to go through the most important thing when you set up your Facebook Business Manager and when you're running ads. Like, what's the most important thing to do first? This is something that so many businesses don't do, and they run into a lot of problems down the line. So before we start, just ask you to smack the like button below. That really helps us out, and let's get into it. So this is one of the ad accounts at the moment, so it's in this ad account. If you want to verify your business, so first thing you do is go to business settings, and verification is super important to verify the business, because otherwise you'll run into lots of different problems with the ad accounts, and you can get ad accounts banned and everything. It really does cause so many problems within businesses. So the first thing, whenever you've got a new business set up, whenever you're doing a new business manager, always come here first. So you come into business info. And yeah, you see business verification status. You always need to click. We're here, it'll be like verify business if it's not verified already. And then what you can do from there, it'll ask you for basically a letter that's been sent to the address of the business. So basically, I'll just have to match the business that had been. Basically, this needs to be on a letter. Online Page School Limited, with the address, and then you submit that. And it might ask you for a few extra things as well. Maybe the certificate of incorporation. Or anything that proves the business name plus the business address, and then you should get verified sort of within 24 hours, and that really stops you from getting banned, and your ad accounts having problems, and kind of like just bans that just happen where you're like, oh, I didn't do anything wrong. So that's the first thing you need to do. So verifying your business, really important. And then if you come to Security Center, what you want to do is turn on two-factor authentication, because that will mostly stop your account getting hacked. I never really used to do this. I never used to have two-factor authentication on, because it was just annoying. But even with the other stuff, my account still got hacked before, and it caused massive problems. So I always have it on now. So two-factor authentication, also adding a backup admin too. So you add a backup admin. So if you get banned personally, because there's two types of bans that you can get: one on your ad account, or you can get one to you, like your personal advertising status gets revoked, and then you've got no access to anything. So, and that's an absolute nightmare. So if you have someone else, either a member staff, or if you're doing it for yourself, like either a business partner or even a family member or a friend, just so that if you ever get locked out of your account, that other admin can then re-add you again. So that's really important to do. So backup admin, two-factor authentication, and business verification. If you get those three things together, then that will really prevent your ads and your ad accounts getting banned and disabled just for no reason, and also any problems with getting locked out as well. So I hope that's helpful. Last thing before you go, if you just click the link in the description, that will take you to lots of different free resources we've got. With a Facebook group, obviously a YouTube channel, and also your daily Q&A sessions on Clubhouse as well. So those are all free resources for you to use to make sure that your Facebook advertising is the best it can be. So that's in the link below, and I hope you guys to see you in the next video.